Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that will help you refine your designs and focus on specific parts of your images without needing external editing software. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Figma application on your device. Once Figma loads up, go ahead and open the project where your image is located. This could be any design file you're currently working on or a new project you've created specifically for image editing. Now take a moment to locate the image you want to crop within your canvas. Figma projects can get quite busy with multiple layers and elements, so you might need to scroll around a bit or use the Layers panel on the left to find it quickly. Once you've spotted your image, click directly on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue bounding box appear around it. With your image selected, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the Properties panel, which displays all the customization options for whatever element you've selected. Look for a section labeled Fill. This is where Figma stores information about how your selected object is filled, whether that's with a color, gradient, or in this case, an image. Next, click on the word Image within the Fill section. This will reveal additional options specifically for image handling. You should now see a small drop-down menu appear. Click on this drop-down menu to expand it and view the available image manipulation options. From the drop-down menu, select Crop. This activates Figma's built-in cropping tool, which allows you to adjust which portion of your image is visible without actually deleting any pixels. It's non-destructive, meaning you can always revert or adjust the crop later if needed. Now comes the creative part. You'll see handles appear around your image that allow you to adjust the crop boundaries. Click and drag these handles to resize and reposition the visible area of your image. Take your time here to frame your image exactly how you want it. You can move the crop window around to focus on different parts of the image until you're satisfied with the composition. Once you're happy with how your image looks, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This finalizes the crop and applies your changes. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your image directly within Figma, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.